On a fateful day, as enemy ships loomed on the horizon, a lone Byzantine vessel stood ready. The crew braced themselves, holding the secret to a weapon that would change the course of warfare forever. The tension was unbearable, the air thick with anticipation as enemy vessels closed in. Suddenly, something horrifying appeared. A massive tube pointed directly at the approaching fleet. With a deafening hiss, it unleashed a torrent of fiery liquid. Greek fire. It was a flammable chemical weapon manufactured in and used by the Eastern Roman Empire. The recipe for Greek fire was a closely guarded state secret. What if I told you ancient civilizations wielded technologies that defy what we understand about history today? Let's dive into some of the most baffling examples. Over 1,600 years old, this towering 7-meter-high iron pillar has confounded scientists for generations. Despite being exposed to Delhi's harsh weather, it has barely rusted at all. The secret? Ancient Indian metallurgists created an anti-corrosive iron that we still struggle to replicate today. Its structure is so advanced that it's almost like they were working with knowledge far ahead of their time. The pillar was built in honor of the Hindu god Vishnu and Emperor Chandragupta II, but its real significance lies in its composition. 98% pure iron with minimal rusting. Modern metallurgy can't quite explain how such purity and resistance to corrosion was achieved with the technology available at the time. Now let's talk about Roman concrete. Unlike modern concrete, which starts to crumble within a century, Roman structures like the Pantheon and aqueducts have stood strong for over 2,000 years. How? Their secret lay in a unique mix of volcanic ash and lime, which reacted with seawater to form an impenetrable, self-healing material. Instead of weakening over time, Roman concrete actually strengthens when exposed to water, growing more durable with age. Even with our cutting-edge technology today, scientists have yet to fully crack the code of this ancient mix. What did the Romans know that we've somehow lost? The ancient Egyptians weren't just masters of mummification, they were also groundbreaking pioneers in surgery. Long before modern medicine, they were performing trepanation, a procedure where part of the skull is carefully removed to relieve brain pressure or treat severe head injuries. But here's the shocking part. Some of these patients actually survived. Archaeological evidence shows skulls with signs of healing, proving the success of these ancient surgeries. Even more astonishing, the Egyptians developed herbal medicines that were so effective, some of their remedies are still used in modern pharmacology today. But it doesn't stop there. The surgical tools found in their tombs, made from bronze and razor-sharp obsidian, rival the precision of modern instruments. Despite having no X-rays, no MRIs, and no modern diagnostics, their knowledge of anatomy was far more advanced than we once thought. So how did they do it? What did these ancient doctors know about the human body that allowed them to perform such sophisticated procedures with tools and methods that seem almost impossible for their time? Now, let's move on to one of the most baffling mysteries in archaeology. A fossilized footprint found in Utah, estimated to be over 500 million years old. What's so strange about it? This isn't just any footprint. It appears to be from a shoe, complete with a well-defined heel. But here's the mind-bending part. This fossil is embedded in rock that predates humans by millions of years. How could that be possible? Some theorists have speculated wildly, suggesting it could be evidence of time travel or perhaps even an ancient civilization far older than we've ever imagined. While mainstream scientists remain skeptical, this fossil continues to defy explanation, leaving us with more questions than answers. Is it a natural formation, or could it hint at something we've yet to fully understand about our past? Let's travel even further back in time to ancient Mesopotamia, where around 3,500 BCE, the Sumerians developed one of humanity's earliest breakthroughs: cuneiform writing. This revolutionary system involved using a reed stylus to press wedge-shaped marks into wet clay tablets. What started as a method for simple record-keeping quickly evolved into something far more profound. Over time, cuneiform became the medium for literature, law, and poetry. And among its greatest legacies is the Epic of Gilgamesh, one of the oldest surviving works of literature. This ancient masterpiece, written in cuneiform, stands as a testament to the transformative power of the written word, shaping culture and thought for millennia. The invention of cuneiform not only marks the dawn of written language, but also highlights the enduring impact it has had on human civilization, opening the door to communication, knowledge, and storytelling across time. Now, let's explore the incredible achievements of the ancient Maya, who developed a remarkably sophisticated calendar system grounded in meticulous astronomical observations. They closely tracked the cycles of the moon, sun, and planets, leading to the creation of a 260-day calendar and a 365-day calendar. These calendars weren't just for keeping track of time. They played a crucial role in agricultural planning, religious ceremonies, and social events. What's truly astonishing is the precision of the Mayan calendar. It could predict solar eclipses and other celestial events with incredible accuracy, showcasing their advanced understanding of astronomy and timekeeping, long before the advent of modern technology. The Mayans' ability to intertwine their daily lives with the cosmos highlights their profound connection to the universe, revealing a civilization that was not only advanced in mathematics and astronomy, but also deeply aware of their place in the grand tapestry of time. The Lycurgus cup is no ordinary piece of Roman art. It's an ancient marvel with a secret that stumped scientists for centuries. Created in the 4th century, this delicate glass cup has a stunning, almost magical property. It changes color based on how light strikes it. From the front, it glows green, but when lit from behind, it transforms into a brilliant red. So how did the Romans achieve this? It turns out that the glass contains minuscule particles of gold and silver, embedded so precisely that the cup is an ancient example of nanotechnology, a field we didn't officially discover until the 20th century. What makes the Lycurgus cup even more mind-blowing is its sensitivity to light. The way these metal particles interact with photons creates an optical effect that even modern science struggled to explain for years. The Romans, of course, had no idea they were playing with nanotechnology, but their craftsmanship produced effects that we only managed to rediscover 1,600 years later. And now, let's journey to the jungles of Costa Rica, where we find another mind-boggling mystery. Massive stone spheres, nearly perfect in shape, scattered across the landscape. These stones, ranging from just a few inches to over 16 tons in weight, were crafted between 600 and 1000 AD by a civilization long lost to history. What were they for? That's the enigma. Some believe the spheres were used for astronomical purposes, possibly aligning with the stars or tracking the movement of the sun. Others think they marked important locations, like ceremonial sites or significant buildings. But here's the real puzzle. No one knows how these ancient people managed to carve such massive stones so flawlessly, without any advanced tools. Could these spheres have been part of a larger, forgotten code? Some researchers suggest they hint at an understanding of geometry and astronomy far more advanced than we ever thought possible for this ancient culture. Yet the true purpose and meaning of these remarkable stone spheres remain one of history's unsolved mysteries. Now let's travel back to ancient China, where an extraordinary invention from the Han Dynasty forever changed how we understand natural disasters. Developed around 132 AD by the brilliant scientist Zhang Heng, the seismoscope was the world's first device capable of detecting earthquakes. This ingenious instrument used a pendulum mechanism to sense tremors. When an earthquake was detected, a ball would drop from the mouth of a dragon, indicating the direction of the seismic activity. While it couldn't predict earthquakes, the precision and sophistication of this device were astounding for its time. Zhang Heng's invention demonstrated a remarkable understanding of seismic activity, laying the foundation for the future of seismology. It was a breakthrough that showed how ancient civilizations were already unlocking the secrets of the Earth long before modern science. There are countless secrets from our past, waiting to be explored. If you enjoyed this journey through forgotten innovations, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video of obscura inventions. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.